about dollars, make it hurt.
And what's up, everyone? Welcome to our channel, Lifestyle Motivation. We're all about living life, having fun, and motivating others to do the same. We do vlogging. We go over all kinds of cool adventures on this channel. And if this channel helps you or excites you in any way, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And remember, be motivated. Alright guys, what's up? It's Lifestyle Motivation over here. We're about to get ourselves some fishing time. As you can see, next adventure is fishing. Alright guys, so we're going to take you on our journey today and show you how we are going to do today with our catches. Hopefully we get a lot of catches, we'll see, but the whole important thing is we're going to have fun. And that's the main thing, right? So we're gonna be out in the sea for about 5 hours fishing. Hopefully we come home with some right here, right off the port of Avila, getting ready to go on the adventure sport fishing here, the Patriot. Hopefully we get like I said, some good catches. We have a good group with it, and we look forward to sharing the day with us. It's right now currently past 6 going at it. Cool. All right guys, so we look forward. We'll be back. Enjoy. Look at this, y'all. We're out on the ocean, everyone. Look at this. We are officially on the ocean. Getting ready to fish. Yeah, so that's that. Look at that, so cool. What's that fire for that? Alright, oh, we're catching fish here. We're catching fish here. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that fish right there.
I caught a fish. I caught a couple fish.
We're catching some fishes. So we caught some fish here, guys. Check it out. We got quite a lot. Let's see if I can get this bag up. Look at all this fish here, guys. Feel like a true fisherman. Having a good time here. Fishing right off the boat. We're gonna relocate soon for another spot that might be better. But we've been catching fish. We're using squid as our bait. Here it is. Woo-hoo-hoo. Check it out. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, baby. Check that out. So cool. Man, it took me a while to get the hang of it, but we finally got it. I got the bait on the pole there. But yeah, we're catching pretty good today. It's a good day for some fish. Funness. You guys got to come out and fish. I definitely recommend it. It's relaxing, fun, enjoyable. Look at our catch right here. Guys, look at it. We're playing it right now. Caught some good sized fish. Looking forward to eating some tacos later. Fish tacos. Everyone, we're back for Lifestyle Motivation box opening time, guys. So we are going to an upgrade to our vlogging. So what we got here is a company called Zhuwin. I believe that's how it's said. I've looked at some of the other YouTubers and see how they were pronouncing it, and I believe that's the closest I can find to pronouncing this thing. Yes, I had to research on how to pronounce that. I was thinking Ziyun or something like that. So Zhuwin is supposed to be, I guess, two different words. Zhu, I believe, is like wisdom, resourceful, being witty, and Wen is like a cloud, young, or like a, or however you say it. But smooth Q here is what we're looking at. It's a 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. And what we needed was to up our game, guys, because I can only hold my hand so steady for some of the videos, and to have something like this, we got to get ourselves to that next level. And thank you guys for being with us from the beginning, and I hope to see you guys see this channel get over 100 subscribers. It's our first goal. Then we're going to be hitting up milestones from there. Okay, guys? Alright, so finally got it open, guys. So let's take the plastic cover wrapping off of this. Man, they do a good job making sure that thing is sealed there. Alright, got a little cool sticker here. Just got to rip it. Ooh, got a little too excited there. Supposed to rip the little sticker part here, and I'm just ripping the whole box. Well, you know what, guys? We're just going to go through with it here. Let's just keep it going. Alright, so open that up. It's got a nice little cover box here. Open it, and here is the product. Ooh, isn't this nice? Well, it's in this plastic. It feels pretty neat. But it filled the case. Oh, check that out, guys. That's a pretty cool looking case. Look at that. It feels good too. It has like smooth texture and everything. Cool little case for this thing. Alright, oh, let's zip it all the way over. And whoa, voila. Here we go, guys. Check it out. Man, that's cool. Look at this thing. Swivels and everything. So you get, and this is the control button. I can maneuver it here with the joystick. So we look forward to getting some nice action shots here. Cool. So this is it, guys. So as you can see, we have the buttons here, joystick, we have a little charger port, record button here. Oh, you see it lights up already. So guys, we're gonna get this to work, and I'll let you know how it goes.